Hello friends, this is Yashwant. A very warm and heartiest welcome to my YouTube channel, The Yashwant. Today in next 3 to 4 minutes, you will learn essay writing, its kinds, its parts and as well as how to write it. So let's start. The word essay derives from the French word essayer, which means to try or to attempt. An essay can be defined as a short literary composition on a particular theme or subject, usually in prose, generally analytic, imaginary, or interpretative. The Oxford Dictionary described it as a short piece of writing on a particular theme or subject. It is not a catalog of dry facts. It is not a mine of information. It is rather a spontaneous attempt at self-expression. An essay may be written on anything or everything. Even a piece of chalk can set us dreaming. The first step to write an essay is to define what type of essay you are writing. There are 4 main categories into which essay can be grouped. First, narrative essay. Tell a story or just to impart information about your subject in a straightforward manner or orderly manner, like in a story. Second, persuasive essay. In this essay, you should convince the reader about some point of view. Third, expository essay. Explain to the reader how to do a given process. You could, for example, write an expository essay with a step-by-step instruction about how to make peanut butter sandwich. Fourth, descriptive essay. Focus on the details of what is going on. For example, if you want to write a descriptive essay about your trip to the park, you would give great detail about what you experienced, how the grass felt beneath your feet, how the park benches looked like, and anything else would need to feel the reader that he was there. There are 3 parts of an essay. First, introduction of an essay. The introduction is important both to grab the reader's interest as well as to inform them what will be covered in the essay. The introduction generally comprises 10 to 20% of the text. Second, body of an essay. The body of an essay is where you make argument supporting your thesis statement, develop your ideas, provide evidence. On an average, the body comprises 60 to 80% of the text. Third and final section of an essay is the conclusion of an essay. It takes up around 10 to 20% of the text. A strong essay conclusion draws connection between the arguments made in the essay bodies. Second, it states the outcomes of your argument. Third, it explores the importance of your topic. A great essay conclusion should finish with a memorable and impactful sentence. Every examinee should bear in mind the following points before beginning to write an essay. First, think before you write. Second point, do not harp on the some fact. It will make your essay dull and nettle the examiner. Third point, if the points are given, think before each point and develop into a short paragraph. Fourth point, use simple, common words and short sentences. It will key to success in the examination. Fifth point, mind your grammar, spelling as well as punctuation. Sixth point, be simple but interesting, clear but catching. That's all. Friends, if you like my video and wants to get more video from me, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.